Next land we have is Capricorn. So Capricorn, Monday and Tuesday is the day of your judgment. So you are going to reap the rewards of what you have done in the past. If you have done something bad, you're going to see the result for that. If you've done something good, you're seeing the result for that. So whatever is going to happen, you could get to think about why you're getting this right now. You will have that feeling that what you have done, if you have done something bad, this is time of penance. If you have done something good, be contented and be happy for that you have done. You would be, whatever would be the case, you would be knowing why you are seeing this. So it could be new business that is going to come. So if you're like sitting for the job interview, judgment says that this is you're going to get the job or something. So judgment has a lot of like a lot of other like entire realm of happenings that it can come with. So a good action has a good judgment, or a bad action can come with a bad judgment. So this is how Monday and Tuesday looks like for you. Your Wednesday and Thursday have got the Four of Cups. As you can see, this picture is very depictive of the Four of Cups, unlike the other pictures that I've seen. Here the woman visually looks outside the window looking at the rain over here, and she's looks like she's not happy with the climate and all that. So this is how you're going to feel on Wednesday and Thursday, that you won't be happy for whatever you're getting with that at this point of time. You would be like wishfully looking outside and wish for something else which you would have got, unlike what you have with yourself right now. So Wednesday and Thursday you will feel if something that is given to you, don't want that. It could be some job offer which you did not want, or something like a position that you think that is demeaning to you, or you could get something out of your work which you think that this is not enough for you or something. So you might feel that way on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday looks great for collaborative efforts. So if you are thinking of building a new business for you, Friday and Saturday is a time you should make plans for that, like partnership, collaborations, or investing in a stock share or something. It's great, but sometimes Two of Wands come with choices that you have to make. So it can put you in that crossroads, but whatever you're gonna pick is gonna be good, and you will be able to do great stuff with that. So this is how Capricorn's week looks like.